Experiencing internet issues after a power outage? You're not alone. Power surges and sudden shutdowns can disrupt your Spectrum modem's connection. This section will guide you through the initial reconnection steps to get back online. First, power cycle your modem. Unplug it from the power outlet for a full 60 seconds. This allows the modem to fully reset and clear any temporary glitches. While you wait, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure, both at the modem and the wall. After 60 seconds, plug the modem back in and wait for it to power up. The online light should stabilize, which usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. If the light doesn't turn on, ensure the power cord is securely plugged in. Often, a simple reboot resolves the majority of post-outage issues, approximately 80% according to Spectrum's internal data. If rebooting doesn't resolve the issue, check your modem's signal strength through the diagnostic page. Open your web browser and type 192.168.100.1 into the address bar to access the modem's internal settings. On the diagnostic page, look for these key signal metrics. Downstream signal-to-noise ratio should be above 30 decibels, with 36 to 40 being optimal. Downstream power levels need to be between -15 and +15 decibel millivolts. Upstream power should range from 35 to 51 decibel millivolts. If any metrics fall significantly outside these ranges, it signals a signal problem requiring professional help from Spectrum. Try using the My Spectrum app to remotely reboot your modem or run a speed test to further diagnose issues. If problems persist, they might indicate a faulty modem or damaged cables. Contact Spectrum support at 1-800-892-4357 or visit a local store for a modem replacement.